In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Airtable. Whether you're new to Airtable or looking to streamline your data collection process, creating forms is a fantastic way to gather and organize information effectively. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can set up your form with ease. To begin with, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Airtable website. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button if you already have an account. If you don't, take a moment to set up your account by following the prompts. After clicking Sign In, enter your account credentials to log in. Then click Continue, which will take you to your Airtable dashboard. Now that you're in your Airtable home, you'll need to select the base where you wish to create your form. This base could be any project or data set you've been working on. Click on the desired base table, and you'll be taken into that specific workspace. In your base, look at the upper right corner. You'll notice an option labeled Forms. Click on Forms to start the creation process. These forms are essentially web-based surveys or inputs that feed information directly into your tables, making them immensely useful for efficient data entry. A dialog box will appear at the right side of your screen. This is where you can customize your form to suit your needs. Here, you have a variety of customization options, including modifying the questions you want to ask, setting the type of data you're looking to collect, and adding any necessary instructions or descriptions to guide your users. Take a moment to explore these options thoroughly. You can drag and drop elements to reorder them, add new fields, and decide which fields are mandatory depending on the nature of the data you're collecting. This customization is key to ensuring that your form collects exactly the information you need. Pay close attention to the instructions field. It's a great way to give form respondents context about the data they need to provide. Once you've customized your form to your satisfaction, Airtable will automatically save your settings. Before you finalize everything, it's a good idea to preview your form. This means going through the form as if you were a respondent, ensuring that it's easy to navigate and that all instructions are clear. With your form reviewed and ready, it's time to share it. Airtable provides a link to your form, which you can distribute to your team or anyone you need to collect information from. You can send this link via email, embed it on a website, or share it through any other platform you prefer. Congratulations, you've just created a form in Airtable. Now you're ready to start collecting data efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy data gathering.